Any doubts here? Hello?
No, I have no doubt.
Yes. Anyone? Do anyone have any doubts in this?
No, sir. No doubt.
I have other doubt. What is the use of this SQL? Because SQL is a database. So in SAS, what is the use of SQL? Like we can do the same thing by using SAS also.
Yeah.
So the use of
So,
SQL here.
suppose if we want to do, so if I want to remove the duplicate values and I want to sort the data and I want the number of counts. So to get the number of counts, so what do we do in the data steps?
We can use the functional if statement also can do.
We can use proc frequency, right? Proc freq.
Also, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Prop,
For sorting, we can use the
sort.
proc sort. To remove duplicates also we can use so proc sort, proc freq, and we can get the statistics by using proc means, right?
Hmm.
And we can do the what stacking, can do stacking and merging in the data steps. Stacking,
No,
merging. Okay, all this we have to use the different sequence. So for different steps, for sort we have to use the proc sort. For freq we can use the proc freq. For means we can use proc means. For stacking we can use the multiple steps. So no issues for the stacking. So
yes,
for merging we have to use the merge statement.
I'm checking here.
All this can do in a single data in a single data step here. In a single code, we can do all the sort simply by giving the order by statement. We can sort the data simply by giving the group by statement. We can group the data. We can simply by giving the distinct keyword. We can delete the duplicates. So finally, I will at the last class I will give a example. So same task I will do in the data step and same task I will do in the SQL. So you can find the difference in both SQL and the data steps. Okay, we can reduce the code in SQL.
And real time also we use SQL.
So
We
it
got
depends on
data.
it depends on the program.
Okay. Okay.
So most of the programmers are comfortable in data steps only. So we can do easily in Proc SQL without any users. But there are so here you can see if we want to remove any duplicates or any something like this, all the variables we should not create here. We should not include here. If we include, it will not work. So like this, we have some issues. So for these issues, we can use the data steps. So remaining, we can use in ProcSQL. So I will take an example and explain the difference between the data steps and SQL, how the SQL simplifies the code, and I will explain that at the end of the ProcSQL class. Okay.
Okay.
So the proc means we will get the statistics type. So what stats will we get in the proc?
Again, question.
What statistics will we get in the proc procedure?
Prop.
Proc means
Means average.
uh, next By using them, we get the count of number of count. Okay, we will get the minimum, we will get the maximum, and we can get the standard deviation. We can get the mean, we can get the median. So like this, we can get the statistics in the Proc site. You can see here, this is the count, this is the minimum, this is standard deviation, mean, median. So in SQL, we can do all these, we can get all these stats by giving as a function. Okay, so here the analysis variable was age. We'll get all stats by age, right? So what is the minimum age here? Minimum age was 11 for both males and females, right? So here in the field statement, we have to use the min function, minimum function, min of age as as m age, and we get the max of age as m age. So except the median, all the stats can find in the SQL by using the by using as a function. We cannot find median in the Proc SQL. SQL of age as SQL and age as m age group by sex. So let's open this data set starting. So here you should view this variable itself. So if you can see here the sex variable, we have the m and s. In females, the minimum age was 11 and maximum age was 15. In the males, minimum age 11, maximum 16. This is the standard deviation. This is the mean of the age. So like this, we can get the stats what we can get in the Proc. Same stats we can get in Proc scale by using this as a function. Okay, min function and the max and the STD and the mean. except median, we can get any other statistics function also except median. Okay, suppose here the maximum age was 16, right? I want to, I want to subset the data. I want only this observation. Okay, where maximum age was 16. How can we write the condition? Where the max age equal to 16, right? Do this work here. Um, So let's see. So you can see we are getting a syntax error. Means the where statement will not work. So for this we have a order. So I will tell the order. So we have to use the where statement after the from from only. So before the group by, after the where statement only we have to use the group by. We have to use the same order. If we change the order, it will not work. Okay. So you can see the syntax error was gone, and we have another error here. The following columns were not found in the contributing table. So it was thinking this was the source dataset variable. So we have to tell this was a numeric variable by giving a keyword called calculated, where calculated max age equal to 16, right? So you can see we got another error here. So this error was got because we have used the where statement at the wrong place. Okay. Now here we use the where statement at the correct place. So here we got the other error. The following columns were not found. It was coming because it was searching the variable in the source data set. So we given the calculated keyword. Now we got the another error. It's telling that summary functions are restricted to select and having classes only. Means here how this variable created. So it is created by using a function, summary statistics function, right? Hello.
Yes.
All these functions like
Yes, sir.
count, min, max, mean, and standard deviation. All these functions are called as summary statistics function. So whenever a variable created by using this function, we cannot apply condition by using the where state. Okay. So to apply any condition on this variable, we have to use the statement called having. So having statement also works same like where statement only. Having max age equal to 16. Okay. So you can see here now it was subsetted without any errors. Previously we got errors by their own reason. So here every error has different reason, right? So for this error the reason is we have used the where statement in the wrong order. So this error, the reason is about it was searching the variable in the source data set. So we gave the calculation. So this error we got because we cannot apply the function on the some where by using where statement we cannot apply condition on the variable that was created by the summary statistics function. Okay, so now by applied the condition by using the having statement, we subsetted the data correctly. So let's open this data set SRP. You can see here it was subsetted. So now I'll explain the statements and their order. So first we have to use the create table. Next we have to use the select statement. Select. Next we have to use the from statement. Next we have to use the where statement. And next we have to use the group by statement. Next we have to use the having statement. And next after this we have to use the order by statement. So we have to follow the same orders. These are the most statements we are going to use in the Proc SQL. So the same order we have to follow whenever we are using this statement command. So you can see here we use the group by and having statements together. So if I given the having statement about the group by, so it was showing an error. So by reading this error, it was showing on group by, but we given the wrong statement on the having right. So but it was showing error on the group by. So we may little bit confused on this. So first by using the Proc SQL, we have to follow this order, the same order only we have to give the state create table select from where group by having order. Okay, then only we can execute the data without any issues. Okay, any doubts still here?
No.
Okay, next we have the wedging and stacking. So by using SQL that we will discuss in the other session. So I will check if there is an example to explain the difference between SQL and data structure. Just a minute. I do not find an example currently. So I will create an example that the SQL steps. SQL may reduce a few steps. Okay, any doubts still here? So we discussed how can we use the proc to get the output like proc means proc contents, proc sort, and proc print, and how can we use the if then function to get output like if then function. How can we subset the data? How can we give the attributes? And another one left. How can we create a data set? So till here you can see we are using a set option only. To create a data set, you can use proc SQL create table new, yeah, page. So for numeric variable we have to give the char. For numeric variable, for character variable we have to give the char. For numeric we have to give the numeric. We have to mention is it the way the variable is named for character. Okay, yeah, right. So now here we have to use the semicolon. When we are creating this data set, we have to use the semicolon there in the create table statement. So we have to use a statement called so we have to give this data set name here set input after this value. We have to give the values for this variable. Okay, we have to give alpha. Next we have the age. We will give the we have calculated there. You can see the data set new was created here. With this, we have only one observation that we given here. So like this, we can create a data set by using the Proc SQL. Okay, any doubts still here? No. Okay. Next session we may have tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay. So till then, practice till here. So we are left only with merging and stacking, and we can also create macros in Proc that I will explain after the macros session. So in the next class, in the next session, we will discuss about how can we do the stacking and merging Proc SQL.
Okay.
No doubt, right?
Hmm.
Can I end the meeting?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you for this.
Thank